The 14 days hold standard on new stores. How would you recommend mitigating a risk of bans moving forward? Also, sign as a must from now on. So, bro, like, there is no situation, even like any method that you should be doing. Getting 8 stores nuked in one day is insane. Like, I've never seen that. Unless someone's been stupid and not followed what I've said. That's terrible. I mean, like, it's bans aren't as big as a problem as they were like a year and a half ago. A year ago, they were a bit harsher than they are now. Now, what happened to Bruce right there is not unlucky. If they all got nuked in the exact same day, there was a specific reason why they got nuked all in that one day. The likelihood of having 8 stores nuked in one day that aren't connected to each other in some form, it is like impossible. It's not possible with the amount of stores that they take down in a given day. Like, there's obviously ban ways, but like, it's not possible that there wasn't a problem. So there is a specific reason, and there is a way that you would have been able to mitigate 8 stores going down in a single day. Maybe you would have still lost 1 store, but having 8 stores nuked in one single day is like impossible if you're doing the right things.